When you're working flat out, the last thing you need is a flat battery. Welcome to the PowerStor. With this plug and play unit, you can easily charge lots of batteries on your site, indoors or outdoors. Simply find a good location, plug in and get charging. Inside there are 32 sockets spread over 4 shelves, giving you plenty of capacity. Each double socket is RCD protected, meaning that a faulty device will only trip its own socket, leaving the rest of the batteries charging. The fire suppression system helps control a fire risk by automatically deploying if a fire is detected. Power the unit with a 32 amp supply via the commando socket.
Other features include high visibility lighting, anti-slip checker plate flooring, 2 ultra secure deadlocks, crane lifting eyes and forklift pockets.
Charge up, charge safe, charge forward.